Hey everybody, welcome back to the homestead. Tonight we're supposed to get about 8 inches of snow. 3 minutes later we're supposed to get about 2 inches of rain. As you can imagine, that's going to create a big slushy frozen mess in our yard. And I want to get that snow cleaned up before it gets too wet, because when you're trying to blow wet snow, it doesn't go very far. Then the temperature is supposed to drop and everything will freeze. So as you can imagine, that's going to create a real mess. So I'm going to try to get out there after the snow, before the rain, and get all the snow cleared up a little bit, best I can. So I'll turn down the tractor noise a little bit and crank up some tunes so you can enjoy the blowing of the snow. Turn the tractor around because it's not much fun when all that snow is blowing back in your face. A cab would be nice, but a lot of the time the cab would not be nice. Like if you're going through the bush, the cab get knocked off by a tree. So we just live with it, get a little wet here and there. Well, that's going to be it for tonight. The snow's already wet. It's been raining for an hour. I'm soaked, and that's enough for tonight. We can get the rest tomorrow. 2 days from now, the temperature is supposed to drop down below zero, so everything will be nice and hard then. Probably be a little heavy, but we'll get the rest of her tomorrow. that should do her for today. I got most of the wet snow up in the areas where I don't want it to freeze up. It's heavy stuff, as you can see. When it was coming out of the snow blower, it barely goes 6 feet. It's just, I can amp the RPMs up a bit, but what's the point? So as you can see, we're getting a little bit more snow here, which is nice. It's cold enough, and I think from now on the temperature is supposed to stay below freezing, which will help. In a couple days we're supposed to get another 6 to 8 inches of snow, so that would be awesome, especially if it stays cold. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Like and subscribe if you can, please.